Yo YouTube, what up? This is GSNCards coming back at you once again. I am going to do the Mojo cut. Last time I did that cut, we hit some nastiness with the Jason Hayward auto, Joe Girardi auto, some nice stuff. So good luck. So far, we're enjoying this break. There's 99 people in blog. There's all the packs here and the checklist. We hit some really nice stuff so far in this break, so we will see what we got in these packs. 6 packs. Let me just make sure we got 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 packs in this. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Good luck. And just so you guys know, the slide will be done on blog, and someone could get kicked if you guys want. Here we go. Second to last will be the hit, they were saying. I don't even want to know what that card was. Anyway, here we go. First off, Johan Santana. I saw a patch in there, guys, but I don't know. Here we go. Do they put manufactured in here? Are there manufactured patches at all in here? Yeah, we got one. Yeah, it's not game used, right? Before I go crazy. Because I saw we have a hit in here. Okay, they're not game used. I don't have to go nuts. Johan Santana for the Mets. Base. Then a Yogi Berra for the Yankees base. And I'm going to slide the one from the back in, and it will go to the Yankees, numbered out of 99. I'm going to get a base to put on the back. Phil Rizzuto, numbered out of 99. Really nice looking cards. And first hit, trying not to touch the... that's the card we just saw. Nice. For the Giants. For the Giants, I'm going to flip this backwards. We have numbered out of 50, 18 out of 50. Not game used, but still a really nice card right there. For the Giants of Johnny Mize. Johnny Mize for the Giants. Let me just put this card right there. I want to show it on YouTube one more time. Johnny Mize, numbered out of 50. And the hit. I told you guys I'd slide it, so let me put another base. Slide it on blog. Here we go. Good luck. It's upside down. They are bats. And for the Yankees, we have a dual bat of Mark Teixeira. That one's numbered 7 out of 99. He's doing really well now. Mark Teixeira. And for the YouTube again. So there's hit number 1. We got a Teixeira. Nice pack, though, with that manufactured patch. I thought that was pretty sweet. I'm going to keep 2 base cards here just so I don't peek. But here we go. Pack number 2. Still 6-2, though. Alright, I'm going to move the back card to the front. First off, we have numbered out of 399 for the Orioles. We have a Brooks Robinson. Then we have a base for the Giants of Tim Lincecum. Next card will be randomed. It will be a Montagus versus Capulet. Insert. Then for the Yankees, a Mickey Mantle base. And the hit will be slided again. Slided. Here we go. I see, is it black? Super slow-mo. And it'll be for the Rockies. Numbered out of 50, 5 out of 50, bat auto of Troy Tulowitzki. Troy Tulowitzki, game used bat auto, numbered 5 out of 50. And Berkman just hit a double. Nice. So, nice Troy Tulowitzki, bat auto. Pack number 3. Yankees coming back here. All right, first off, the numbered card will be numbered at a 999, a Prince Fielder for the Brewers. I'm not going to show the regular base. I'll show it on YouTube. Then we have for the Giants, Gaylord Perry base. Then a Vladimir Guerrero base for the Rangers. Billy the Kid versus Pat Garrett. Insert. And the hit, which has been upside down, so I'm going to flip it. Good luck. And, of course, this one is right side up. And it'll be for the Nationals. For the Nationals, numbered out of 99, jersey auto of Adam Dunn. So not Strasburg, but Adam Dunn for the Nationals. There it is. I'm trying my best not to touch the facing of these cards. Alright, here we go. On the top, we have a Harmon Killebrew for the Twins out of 99 gold. Then a Chase Utley for the Phillies base. Walter Johnson base. Abraham Lincoln versus Jefferson Davis. Insert. Let me just see what side the hit's going to go on. It's going to go like that. And here's the hit. It will be a jersey. Jersey for the Tigers of Jim Bunning. Jim Bunning, that one's numbered 21 out of 50. And there it is. Jim Bunning jersey, numbered out of 50 for the Tigers. 2 packs left. 2 packs remaining. Let's get something nasty. Come on. On the front for the Tigers, a Hank Greenberg out of $3.99. Then a very nice Yankees Derek Jeter. Topps 205. And then a Topps 205 Albert Pujols for the Cardinals. John F. Kennedy versus Richard Nixon. Nice. 6-5. And the hit. Here we go. We have, for the Giants again, we have a very nice jersey of Willie McCovey. So, Willie McCovey for the Giants. Giants are doing really well in this break. And the rest are base. Final pack. Final pack. Here we go. Hopefully everyone enjoyed this break. We had some nice cards in here. On the front or on the back, $3.99 for the Reds. We have a Joe Morgan. Then a Hanley Ramirez for the Marlins base. Harmon Killebrew for the Twins base. Derek Jeter for the Yankees base. And next will be the hit. Good luck. Final hit of the box. Oh my God. The guy that I really do not like. Gary Carter, dual bat auto. Hall of Fame auto, though, numbered at a 99. Dual bat auto of Gary Carter for the Mets. So there it is. Slow Pitch Fanatic Kent will be happy about that. Dual bat auto of Gary Carter. And that is it for the tribute. Not a bad box. Last one was a little stronger, but, I mean, still some nice cards in there. Nice jerseys and all. So we'll be back with football. GSN Cards is out.